The Pyle PTED06 electronic drum kit delivers a surprisingly complete drum set experience in a compact tabletop form, with 7 responsive pads plus separate pedals for hi-hat and bass drum that feel natural under the sticks and feet. Its generous selection of preset and user drum kits, along with hundreds of individual drum and cymbal sounds, makes it easy to explore many musical styles from rock and pop to electronic and jazz without feeling limited. A clear digital control panel with a display screen and dedicated buttons lets you quickly adjust sounds, record your playing, and tweak settings, so practice sessions and song ideas are easy to capture and refine. The built-in USB connectivity allows the unit to function as a MIDI controller for computer-based recording software, while auxiliary and headphone-style outputs make it simple to connect to speakers or practice quietly. Despite offering features that appeal to more advanced drummers, the included training mode and straightforward layout make this kit very approachable for beginners who want to build timing and coordination. Its relatively lightweight tabletop design, ability to run on batteries or the supplied power adapter, and included drumsticks mean you can set it up almost anywhere for convenient practice or casual jamming.